I got scammed. I bought this set off of QVC. Today we'll be unboxing Lego Marvel Sanctum Sanctorum from the multiverse. Right on the front of the box, it's going to be 76218, 2,708 pieces. This set has multiple minifigures. You got Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America, some drones, a massive 3-story modular building. The minifigures are Bonnie Wan, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Wong, the Scarlet Witch, Sinister Strange, Master Mordo, and Dead Strange. And then obviously Doctor Strange. You can see each level, first floor, second floor, third floor / roof, and then you get the rooftop. Multiple hidden Easter eggs throughout the whole set. When it comes to Lego Marvel modulars, they like to do a battle scene of some sort along with their build, so that's what you're going to see a lot outside. Just like with the Lego Marvel Mansion, the Lego Marvel Daily Bugle, all those sets have a magnificent fighting scene outside, which brings the set to life. So let's crack open this box and see what's inside. I got scammed. I got scammed. I bought this set off of QVC. What? Is this? This is a joke. We gotta be. This is, are you kidding me? What in the hell is this? Sorry about my language. Oh, I'm about to lose my. What is this? I've ordered this set off of QVC. I've never had a problem with ordering off of QVC. And this is what I got. Noodles and beans. Oh. Lego City instructions? Are you kidding me? How is this going to get rectified? How is this going to get rectified? I don't even know what to do right now. Noodles. Beans. 60121 instructions. This set's retired too. I don't even know what to say. Guys, Today's a good day. Have a great day. God bless each and every one of you. Keep building your life just one brick at a time. Bye for now.